Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 15.3.11 and we're going to support AD domain networking. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You have recently re-imaged the Office One computer and you now need to add it to the domain. In this lab, your task is to connect the Office One computer to the local Active Directory domain and restart the computer and verify that it is a member of the domain. To add a computer to an Active Directory, from the settings we're going to go to account, then access work or school. We want to select connect, then select join the device to a local Active Directory. So let's get into this. Alright, so in case you find this video to be too fast for you, you can reach me through email so that I can send you a longer video that will explain every step I'm going to take in this video. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is to go to the start menu. We're going to search for settings. So we open up settings and we want to go to administrator account and I want to scroll down. Want to select school or work. Okay, let's look at the connect the Office One computer to the local Active Directory domain. Okay, and the details are given here. Company local, J Golden, password is going to be J Golden also. All right, so to be able to do that, we want to go to connect, join the device with local, and we're going to input the domain name given to us. We can just copy and paste. You can also type it in if you choose to. You click next, and we're going to copy and paste the username and password in there. You can also type it in if you choose to. But I'm doing this to make the video faster and to make it as short as possible. So we're going to copy and paste this in here, and we'll go ahead and click OK. So go ahead and restart according to the task. Remember, we have to take every step according to the task given to us on the left pane. So we wait for this to boot into Windows. Okay, so we're now in Windows. Let's look at the other tasks left here. From the settings app, select accounts, then okay. So I guess that is all we need to do here. So go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And you can reach me through my email for a longer video with a lot of explanation. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video.